Imagine eating only one meal a day, not as a challenge, not for a short experiment, but as a normal routine. Most people assume this would wreck your body, starvation, exhaustion, muscle loss. But inside you, something very different unfolds. Your body doesn't panic, it adapts. Over the next 23 hours, your biology shifts gears, calmly, methodically, hour by hour. For the first few hours after your meal, everything feels familiar. Digestion is active, nutrients move into your bloodstream, energy is plentiful. Then, once that work is done, something rare happens in the modern world. Your digestive system rests. Stomach movement slows. Insulin levels begin to fall. The pancreas eases its constant workload. When we eat all day, our bodies are always processing. This single meal structure gives your organs something they almost never get: silence. Your liver senses the pause and quietly prepares for the long stretch ahead. By hour 6, your body turns to stored energy. The liver starts breaking down glycogen, its reserve of glucose, releasing fuel slowly and steadily. Your brain stays sharp. Your muscles continue working. Inside your cells, the mitochondria begin operating more efficiently, generating energy with less waste. This isn't stress, it's smart energy use. Around the 12-hour mark, you cross a hidden metabolic threshold. Insulin, already low, drops further. This change unlocks fat storage. Your liver begins producing ketones, an efficient fuel your brain can run on directly. This is often when people notice a shift. Hunger quiets. Energy feels steady instead of spiking and crashing. Thinking becomes clearer. Your body has entered a fasted metabolic state, one it evolved to use. Then comes the deeper work. Around hour 18, your cells activate autophagy, your internal cleanup system. Damaged proteins are dismantled, worn-out cell parts are recycled, built-up cellular waste is cleared away. This isn't breakdown, it's maintenance. Constant eating rarely allows this process enough uninterrupted time to function fully. As the fast reaches its final hours, around hour 22 to 23, your body fully commits to fat metabolism. Fat cells release stored energy. Ketone levels stabilize at a steady peak. This is real fat burning, controlled, efficient, and sustainable. At the same time, growth hormone rises, helping preserve muscle and support tissue repair. Your heart adapts smoothly. Blood pressure often settles. Low-grade inflammation begins to quiet. Your body isn't fighting for survival, it's operating with precision. As your eating window approaches, everything prepares to shift back. Digestive enzymes increase, stomach acid production rises, nutrient pathways switch on. When you finally eat, absorption is highly efficient. Very little is wasted. This is metabolic flexibility, the ability to move effortlessly between storing energy and using it, a skill many modern bodies are slowly losing. Eating once a day isn't magic, it's structure. It restores natural hormonal rhythms, gives your digestive system real rest, allows deep cellular repair to happen quietly. It doesn't starve your body, it reminds it how to adapt, how to switch fuels, how to repair without constant input. Your body was never designed to eat all day. It was designed to adjust.